Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and today we are going to be making this delicious stuffed pizza. This is probably going to be one of my favorite pizzas to make, and so let me show you how I went about making this. So the first thing I'm going to make is my dough, and I always use my bread maker to make my pizza dough. If you don't have a bread maker, that's okay. You can just skip over this section and go on to the next one. If you are going to use a bread maker, make sure that you follow your bread maker's steps in order to make your pizza dough, or any dough. I believe every bread maker is slightly different, so make sure you check your manual as to the layers that you have, the layer steps that you have to do in order to make your dough. Divide your dough into 2 equal parts. Set one part aside and the other part you're going to roll out. And roll it out so that it will fit the pan that you are using, whether it's round, rectangular, a cookie sheet, a stone, whatever you have that you're going to put your pizza on. Once you have all your toppings on, whether it be pure vegetarian or a meat lovers, that is up to you. That's the beauty of this. You can put whatever it is that you want to put on there. You put your cheese on, and now we're going to roll out the second half of the dough. Make sure that you roll it out about the same size as the first one. So now that you have it all rolled out, place the second part of the dough on top of the first that you've made. And what you're going to do is you're going to try to line it up as best you can and pinch the entire edges together. I used a fork to get the two pieces to stick together. Add some venting holes at the top so that your dough doesn't bubble. Now you're going to mix some butter and some garlic powder together and put that on top of the dough so that it has a nice buttery, garlicky type taste, and then you're going to put it in the oven. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.